For the fish cutlet, we need big can of salmon and 3 medium size of onion. Cut it, clean it and chop. 3 medium size of smashed potato, boiled and smashed potato. To taste salt. Few green chilies, chopped it and take. Curry leaves, ginger garlic paste and RAMPE. We need 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cottage chilli, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Few strips of cinnamon also I took. Little oil for temper the curry filling. To make the filling, we'll add oil. Add little mustard seed. Now okay, we'll add all the ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, green chilli and dal, and add the onion also, and saute the onion. Add salt, 1 teaspoon of salt I add. Close it and heat for few minutes. Here's my salted onion. I am adding another half a teaspoon of salt and add all the spices, mix it, and add the salmon. Mix it well. We'll add the potatoes. Smashed potato. Mix it well. And check the spices. Salt. If you need, add more spice. I'm adding little pepper to this. We like little bit spicy. Now okay, we'll turn off the cooker now. Here's my cutlet filling. I made one. I took from my filling, half only I took from my filling. We'll see. If we are making all, taking long time, that's why we make small portion. From the small portion of curry. Like this, dry. Must be the curry must be, cutlet curry filling must be very dry. Then only we can make perfect cutlet. Here's my cutlet ball. If the curry must be dry only, you can make nice balls, perfect balls. These are my cutlet balls. Will we have to make a batter and dip. We need 3 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and little water to mix this batter. Make this batter. We need little water to make this batter. I am not adding egg or anything. If you like, you add. If we didn't add egg, we can keep the cutlet for 1 week in the freezer. We can store it and eat. I have 2 kinds of biscuit crumbs. One is from fresh bread, one is from dry bread. We'll make and see from both for a change. Now okay. This is fresh bread crumbs. I made from remaining bread. I put in the grinder and grind it and toast. This is calling from Japanese panko. This is biscuit crumbs, dried biscuit crumbs bought from shop. First we'll make from the biscuit crumbs and after that we'll make from the panko. Here I took one, dip inside. Put into this and cover. Once also enough. If you want one more time, put again inside this and again do like this and take it and one more time enough. If you want to need a stiff ball, you must do like that. The cover will be the thick one. Here see, nice finishing. If you are using 2 times, dipping 2 times and taking, it's coming a good finishing. Again, we'll put one. Cover it and put once again inside the batter. Once again dip. See, fine finishing. Now I made this 4 from the biscuit crumbs. Another 5 we will make from the panko. That means fresh bread crumbs. That means one coating is enough, I think. Oh, we'll do double coating. If not enough, the batter is not enough for dipping the cutlet, you continue the same process. You see? Very nice finishing. 2 times doing it. We'll put another one. Frying time also, from the pan for making one separately. Fry. Here's my Cako. Very neat and perfect. These are my well-made cutlet. I coated perfectly. This is from the dry biscuit crumbs. This is from bread crumbs. This is from biscuit crumbs. This is bread crumbs, fresh bread crumbs. That means panko. Here 5 balls have from that, 4 balls have. 4 cutlets are from dry bread crumbs or biscuit crumbs. This is from, this 5 from panko. Panko means fresh bread crumbs. We'll add oil to the pan to fry the cutlet. Cutlet need little more oil. Wait till heat the oil. Here's my cutlets. We'll fry first this oil. We'll put first this fresh bread crumbs coated one. Keep medium flame and fry this one. Here I have to fry another little. For the few minutes we must fry. Here now enough. We'll take off from the oil. we'll put the other biscuit crumbs cutlet. The flame is too high, this one will get trying to break. Keep medium flame or low flame and fry. It's taking little time but coming perfect. Here now okay, we'll take off. When the golden color came time, we'll take off from the oil. Here's my perfectly made cutlet. This is only that breadcrumbs, fresh breadcrumbs one, and these 4 are that biscuit crumbs. I think this one is the better and very hard and perfect. You also make and try and see. Thank you for watching.